Alright, we're asked to find the domain of the function algebraically. F of x equals x squared plus 16. Algebraically means try not to, don't use a graph. No graph. So don't plug it into your calculator. Well, how do you do that? You just need to ask yourself this question. What is not a possible value for x? Remember, we can't have a denominator of 0. That's bad, right? A number divided by 0 is bad. Okay, so basically today's lesson is that you are taking the denominator and we're making it super big, not equal to 0. X squared plus 16 is not equal to 0. Now before, when you had some kind of symbol, an inequality symbol, and you were intimidated by it, just pretend it's an equal sign. So how would you solve this if this was a equal sign? Subtract 16. X squared is not equal to negative 16. How would you solve for the x? Square root. Okay, what's left? X equal not equals to plus or minus. Remember that is negative 1 times 16. Square root of negative 1 is I, and square root of 16 is 4. Well, let's think about this. This answer is a complex, and we're kind of thinking about the real. Real is on the x and y coordinate system. So basically that means that we could pick any value for x on the real. Yes, I have an answer for the complex, but they're not the same. They don't mix. It's like oil and water. You can do as much as you want to it, but eventually they'll always separate. They're different. What does that mean for us? I can actually pick any x value. If I can pick any x value, can go in there, how would I write that in interval notation? You can pick negative infinity to positive infinity. And this is our big answer. Now some of you were automatically thinking, Mr. Ng, can't I just pick negative 4? Well, a lot of you guys missed that on your quiz. I don't know how many students missed it. Negative 4 squared is what, class? Positive 16. Prove that to you. I only emphasize it because I saw multiple students, not just like one, like multiple students. 16. This is not negative 16, because a student who doesn't understand just even the basics of that, they're going to probably say x cannot equal negative 4. So our answer is basically you could pick any number in here. You could put 1, you could put negative 1, because when you square it, it'll always turn positive, and a positive number plus 16 is always going to be positive. 1 divided by some kind of number, you're going to get a number.